Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing, guys? Hope great. Today we'll be doing Isi Ewu, how to prepare the Igbo delicacy known as Isi Ewu. Please, if you are new in my channel, you're highly welcome. Try to subscribe, and if you've been there watching my videos, you're highly welcome too. God bless you for being there. So go with us in this video. Let's see how to make this Igbo delicacy called Isi Ewu, which is good to host visitors, especially at this festive period. I start by thoroughly washing out the meats, scrubbing the necessary parts with hot water. After getting all the meat into the pot, I set the pot on the heat for cooking. Here are the ingredients I'm gonna be using to cook this goat meat. I have 2 stock cubes. They became so hard I had to break them and they melted right inside. This is my chopped garlic. I have my mixed herbs. I have my all-purpose seasoning. I add my onions and salt. I mix everything together. The size of ingredients you're gonna be adding depends on the size of meat you're cooking, so you use your eyes to do the measurement. Then thoroughly mix everything together, mixing all the meat and the ingredients. I later added 2 teaspoons of Suya spice to help the taste. I thoroughly mix everything together once more. I allow this meat to cook for some while without adding water to it. This is to allow the meat to release its own water, which we mix up with the ingredients, and this will be reabsorbed by the meat, giving it a nice taste afterwards. Then later I added 1 mug of water to it to cook well. Guys, this is my Ehuru, my African nutmeg. So I put them on the stove to heat the back so it can be easy to peel, and I will blend them through. So that's how we process the Ehuru. Yeah, the meat is ready right now, and we'll be heading over to the mixing, the ngwongwo side of the Isi Ewu. These are the ingredients we're gonna be using to make this ngwongwo of Isi Ewu. This is Akanwu. I soaked it in water. I'm gonna be using only the solution. And here is my African nutmeg, which is Ehuru. I blended it. This is 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. It's very spicy. And this is onions. Yeah, I'm gonna be using up all the onions. And this is the Isi Ewu and palm oil. So I'm gonna be putting my ingredients bit by bit. This is my ungo, and why I make the ungo. So you can also use uncha for this, like uncha. is something you can use in place of sodium potash, which is Akanwu. Now I add my oil to the potash to make my ungo. We call it ungo in Imo State, and some people call it ncha. Depends on the part of Igbo you're from. So I kept on whisking this. You're gonna whisk and whisk to get the texture you want and to give it that light orange color and not pureed again from the oil. So I whisked this several times and it's becoming like this because we are in winter now and my oil is dense. It's not liquid like how oil used to be. I later added the remaining solution from the sodium potash to get the consistency I'm looking for. Here is it. I'll be adding all the ingredients bit by bit. I added my Ehuru African nutmeg, my Scotch bonnet pepper. I mix as I add. Here I added my onions. I used 2 medium-sized onions. I mixed that very well and finally added my goat meat head, Isi Ewu, to finish everything up. Now I mixed this one here. You have to do a thorough mixing. So this is the reason why it's called ngwongwo or ihagwara. This is the aspect, this mixing. So you have to do it very well and take your time. Mix the meat and the spices, the ungo ingredients, let everything merge together to give a uniform taste. Okay, this aspect is the main aspect, and when you are done with this, you are done with the Isi Ewu is done. So the meat is hot, like not that hot, but I just brought it out from the stove, so it's not cold. So some of the heat from it will help the ungo to dissolve a bit and form more mass and mix with the ngwongwo, making it more better and more succulent. Yeah guys, we've come to the end of this video. This aspect is the finishing part. I hope you like what you're seeing. Have you liked this video, guys? If you watch this video to this moment, please give it a like, okay? And if this is your first time coming across this channel, please don't fail to subscribe for more interesting videos, for more DIYs, more things to come, more vlogs and more cookings in the future. Let's say it go. This is the full bowl of the Isi Ewu garnished with onions and tomatoes. Guys, you can also add some vegetables to it, but I don't have any, so I'm making do with what I have, and this is the outcome. Hope it's looking great. Yeah, and it's very, very delicious. How does it taste?
It's delicious.
Good. You like it? Alright. Even kids like it. My girl, she enjoys it, and the little ones too. And my hubby is the king of this delicacy. Yeah, thank God they like them. So guys, do make it at home for your family. They're gonna really enjoy it. All right, yeah, see you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Ano pa nga